Welcome to our journey into the world of finance. Ever heard of the power of compounding? It's a powerful tool that can help you accumulate wealth over time. So, what exactly is the power of compounding? Simply put, it's when your earnings generate even more earnings. You earn interest on the money you save, and then you earn interest on that interest. This leads to an exponential growth of your wealth. Let's look at some examples of how the power of compounding can work for you. If you invest $1,000 with an annual interest rate of 5%, after 1 year, you'll have $1,050. But after 2 years, you'll have $1,102.50, not just $1,100. That's the power of compounding. And the longer you leave your money, the more it grows. So, to sum up, the power of compounding is a powerful tool for wealth accumulation. Start investing now and let the power of compounding work for you.